Welcome. With 58 awards and distinctions, this is Edsby. Edsby is a cloud-based education software application solution that combines social networking with class and student management features. This learning system has data aggregation and analytics features for K-12 students, parents, teachers, and administrators. Edsby benefits over other instructional networking applications because of its ease of navigation and multifunctionality. It keeps everyone engaged in a private, social-type setting and classroom community, safe from the public internet. Students see their schedules and assignments. Parents can view a detailed list of their child's assessments and grades. Teachers get course planning, attendance, and customizable evaluation tools. This may post communications, assignments, and submission links and chat lines with students. This is much simpler than Google Drive, for example, which forces the user to go into different application pages to access its various components. With Edsby, the home screen is the hub of the experience, with quick list links. Storage records are easily accessible. The company founders include the architects of First Class, a messaging and collaboration product used by millions around the world, and credited as one of the earliest learning management systems. The relationships of customers over 3 decades gave insights into the problems faced, with team inspiration to create a new platform based on the latest technology and the evolution of Edsby in 2010. Edsby operates on essential devices. Smartphones, tablets, computers all support the modern web standard. Edsby recognizes and routinely adapts the screen layouts to match the screen size of the unit. Browser forms are tested, upgrades are free, and each current version tends to run faster and more efficiently than its predecessor. The software will work with older, less capable browsers as well. It also scans file uploads for viruses and malware. Edsby is a 24/7 virtual domain for all customers everywhere. This information technology gives distinct rules of connection at both school and district levels. Edsby ensures confidential knowledge remains protected. Organizations are required to comply with regulations. Edsby has a friendly user interface. Users are not bound to email addresses. You can use existing identification authentication, such as your student number. The main site has clearly labeled headers on its homepage for effortless guidance. Edsby also features a notifications tab for alerts and bulletins. The service is paid by school districts, states, provinces, and countries. It is available for free download to students, parents, teachers, and others. It does not require an individual subscription. A student can transfer archives over from another setup and have everything organized in Edsby within minutes. If for any reason a student wanted to stop usage completely, documents can also be exported with the same straightforward release. All knowledge remains secure in a closed environment, shielded from the outside world. It is stored and protected with the same rigor of the banking and online commerce industries. Edsby never sells the statistics it has or collects from the schooling group, as Edsby makes no claim to be the owner of the data. The institution owns the inputs and strictly controls what is done with these details. No manual entry is needed. Edsby meets most of the technology acceptance model guidelines, in my opinion. It highlights suitable practicability, is free to operate, and has an outstanding output quality and simplicity. It also affects IT professionals. Information technology does not have to worry about using its resources to maintain any hardware or servers. Edsby is a collaborative and supportive infrastructure that leads people to use its technology. An alternative and main competitor to Edsby is Google Drive. While both provide for a paperless classroom, Google Drive forces users to install additional products like Docs, Classroom, and Slides. Edsby merges into an all-in-one, single compact library. Edsby even has its own communication center, rendering Gmail obsolete. Edsby is choice. The target market for this born-in-the-cloud architecture are large academic establishments in the primary to secondary sector. The best way to outreach an audience is by personalizing locations, industries, and employees. Educators should present, deploy, and train students annually to foster integrative learning. The Edsby app enables students to create their own portfolio, similar to a personal blog. Here, students can prop a personal all-about-me wall, photographs, videos, and pin boards of any proud moments, successes, or future aspirations to capture at a glance. The market segment that is in the most pain are prospective, enrolled, school-aged learners, widespread globally. The expansive student population has accessibility, purpose, and advantage for gain, so they are a prominent aim subject for the market segment. Juniors, adolescents, and teenagers alike disorder and misplace dates and paperwork. Edsby pulls it all together every day. Edsby knows your timetable and calendar, tracks and reminds pupils when they need to do things. Edsby stores important teacher uploads for study material. Individuals can ask questions, help each other, meet, and hang out. Glee club, football team, Edsby offers extracurricular special interest opportunities. Edsby is fun. Edsby was designed to fulfill the unique and challenging needs of its appeal market, where others were lacking. Edsby offers a convenient, easy-to-understand, streamlined format. As of December 2018, 326,429 Ontario students are licensed to use Edsby. Edsby is the solution central to digital transformation. The student exchange program will eventually push Edsby past the tipping point. Another significant demographic that can greatly determine the upward trend are educators. Because it joins to existing systems, classes are preloaded with the right students and parents automatically. Sharing, reflecting, and documenting growth is time-saving and unthinkably burden-free. Developers need to advertise learning evidence using the software structure and promote the framework which makes teachers' lives easier. The strategy for implementation should begin at a local scale. If Edsby engages teachers, they would be more prepared to skills train their students. If more school districts adopted Edsby as their primary system, it would consequently increase the amount of student and parent involvement. All parties can do away with the mishmash of websites and apps of the past. Edsby is one login. Edsby is one app to rule them all. Edsby's lovable mascot is a gender-ambiguous, intergalactic, interspecies, or little blue alien robot. The cheeky, young, time-traveling descendant of an Androrian and colorful industrial metalworker, Edsby has a famous paternal grandfather and grandmother. The identities of her maternal grandparents have been lost to intergalactic lore. A distant cousin is in telecom. Another is in entertainment. Edsby is here to help our planet improve its teaching effectiveness. A favorite pastime is travel.